Welcome to Geography class SS2 Wk1. The topic is Communication Networks in Nigeria. Meaning of communication. Communication is the process of exchanging or transmission of meaningful information from one person to another. It is a two-way process which involves sending and receiving of messages. Communication networks through elements in Nigeria. The major communication networks or elements in Nigeria are telecommunication. This involves the use of telephone services, cellular phones, voicemails, etc. Telecommunication is a technology used in sending signals, messages, and images over long distance by telephone and satellite, postal services, radio, newspapers, internet, and courier services. Nigerian Postal Services, number 2. The Nigerian Postal Service, for short NIPOST, is an extra-ministerial department under the Ministry of Communication. The first post office in Nigeria was established in 1856 in Lagos. It was charged with the responsibility of ensuring proper handling of mails. Post offices are located in all major towns and cities in Nigeria. It renders both postal services such as ordinary letters, parcel post, registered letters, parcel post, express letters, and private boxes and bags, while payment services such as money order, postal order, sales of stamps, and cash on delivery service, respectively, to the public. Number 3. Mass media. Mass media involves the transmission of messages through special media of communication to the people. The method is used to create awareness and interest in the new ideas of technologies or techniques among the majority of the people. Mass media include the use of radio, television, newspapers, film shows, banners, handbills, and posters. There are two major types of mass media. They are electronic media and print media. Electronics media involves the use of electronics like radio, television, film shows, etc. to transmit information to the people. Many people can easily be reached if only they have the means. Number 2. Print media. This involves the use of media like newspapers, banners, handbills, newsletters, handouts, pamphlets, posters, etc. to disseminate information to the people in a particular geographical area. Problems of communication in Nigeria. They include inadequate infrastructure. These involves lack of electricity to service the various communication elements or networks in Nigeria. 2. Vandalization of equipment. Telecommunication equipment are usually vandalized by criminals. 3. Poor service. Majority of the communication networks render poor services to the people. 4. High tariff. There is high rate of tariff paid by subscribers. 5. Inadequate personnel. There is problem of inadequate personnel or experts to ensure adequate delivery of quality services. Solutions to communication problems in Nigeria. Solutions to communication problems in Nigeria. 1. Training of personnel. Adequate training should be given to the telecommunication personnel to enable them render adequate services. 2. Adequate network dimensioning. The right equipment or personnel should be employed to ensure quality network delivery. 3. Reduction of tariff. Effort should be made by the government or regulatory agents in ensuring the provision of low tariff to consumers. 4. Provision of infrastructure. Adequate infrastructure such as electricity should be provided by the government. 5. Provision of adequate security services. The provision of security services in areas where these equipment are installed do prevent vandalization of